look for me. I'm here, having a fair, celebrating the festive season. How are you, lads? Blessed be thy name. Say yes, God will bless my Gladys, a God up like heaven. I don't know the thing, God. Jamaica. Nice, is beautiful. To God be the glory, it's Christmas season, and to the left for Christmas celebration. Praise the Lord! Praise the Lord! Make we sing and give thanks. Ho, 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 ho. Joy to the world. The Lord has come. Oh, look for me. God say yes, God will bless. And it's December 2022. Hello. How are you, son? Say hi. Yes, British Airways. Merry Christmas in Jamaica this year again. My kids, I don't know, I'm missing now. No Christmas with mommy this year again, but I don't know the holidays in my heart. I wanted to get Christmas with Queenie, a good Christmas, so all the best to my grandbabies, all my royal crazies. To God be the glory. 6 hours left for the plane now. And if they have, I don't know if your mom is mine. Okay. Yeah, this is my new bestie, my little grandbaby, Jeremiah. Let me Jeremiah. Josiah. I've got another Josiah. This is my Josiah on the plane. Which a man full of energies actually. The children are the future. See that? I'm doing one thing. You ready for going now?
This is for you.